Guys, Delvina here. I had thrifted this tiny toddler dress for my niece. It was new with tags. However, upon inspection, I did find that there was a small stain in the front. And when turning inside out and going through the underlayers, I did find that there was a hole where the seam gave way. And there was also this really weird extra fabric that was never sewn in. This didn't even wrap around a third around the skirting, and it made the left side basically poofier, poofier than the other. I did slow down the sewing section. I am just showing you what a overcast stitch is. All you're doing is basically just threading it through, going up and over, creating your seam. And to do the gathers, I am just pulling that netting back a little bit with my thumb. And what that will do is gather up that netting to fit into the circle. So that's basically it. I did remove the extra netting from the left side. As you can see, plain stay treatment, hand washed. She is good as new. I thank you for watching, and until then, take care.